Pakistan, meanwhile, has reported 20 positive cases of the coronavirus. Let's show you where in Pakistan these cases have been reported and what the situation is at the moment on ground in Pakistan. The worst hit province is Sindh, with 15 cases of the infection. Just yesterday, 2 new cases were confirmed, one in Hyderabad of a patient who had returned from Syria via Doha, and another case in Karachi, the provincial capital. Karachi saw a sharp spike in infections on Monday when 9 cases were reported in a single day. Out of the 15 cases in Sindh, 1 person has in fact recovered from the infection. Balochistan confirmed its first case yesterday, a 12-year-old boy with travel history to Iran. In capital Islamabad, there is 1 confirmed case, while in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, there are now 3 confirmed cases. The latest patient in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir is a 14-year-old who had recently travelled to Iran. Now, these figures do not include the hundreds of Pakistani students who are still stuck in China. Pakistan had refused to evacuate their students, and it is unclear as to how many of them have been infected. Over the last 48 hours, the number of cases in Pakistan has doubled, but the health minister said that this was not surprising considering the scale of the outbreak worldwide. So far, all cases in Pakistan are cases of outside origin. There is no evidence of local spreading as of now. In response to the outbreak, Pakistan has installed thermal screeners at major airports and also shut its borders with neighboring Iran and Afghanistan. In Sindh, all educational institutions will remain closed until the 15th of March. Pakistan's International Airlines has suspended all its flights to Italy as the European country deals with a spiraling situation. We are joined by our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik for more on this story. Anas, there are more and more cases of Covid-19 in Pakistan, but we are learning that Pakistan Cricket League matches will still go ahead. What are the authorities telling you on that front?
Well, absolutely. There are about 20 cases that have come to light, just 11 in the past 48 hours or so that have come to light from Pakistan, precisely mostly being from Sindh. And a while ago, we saw a case being confirmed from Gilgit-Baltistan, another case yesterday that was reported from Balochistan as well. That marks the first case of Balochistan. Now, most of these cases have come in fact, the 100% of these cases which have been diagnosed on these 20 individuals have come in, are those who have come in from abroad, and they're not. That is what the authorities are claiming, that the virus has not spread down locally, though there have been some power politics that has been going on around. The Sindh government has criticized the federal government for not having proper screenings at the airport. The fact that all of these 20 people were not diagnosed at the airport and they were not pointed out at the airport, but instead at the hospitals later on when they had arrived, that is what is being looked after. The Pakistani border with Afghanistan remains closed. The Chaman border today is the 10th day. Similarly, the Pakistani border with Iran, the Taftan border, it remains closed as well. Partially it remains closed because Pakistan has since this past Monday, Pakistan has started the inflow of intake of its nationals, those who are completing the quarantine in Iran, the 14-day quarantine in Iran. And since the past week, since the past 9 days or so, we've seen over 14,000 Pakistani pilgrims traveling from Iran, those who have completed their quarantine period and coming to Pakistan. The number is expected to be to increase another 10,000 or so. This is what the officials are telling us. They say that they in fact acknowledge the inability and inequipment that Pakistan has to deal with the situation, but they say that they are trying for now. Situation interestingly also developed because the Chief Minister of Sindh, his brother-in-law Waqar Mehdi, has also been diagnosed with coronavirus, and as we speak, the authorities are saying they're adamant that the virus has not spread down locally and that they are doing whatever they can, their utmost, to curtail this spread of this virus locally. Yes, Shobit.
Anas Malik, thank you so much for joining us with all the live updates. In neighboring Iran, the virus is certainly getting out of hand, and Pakistan remains at major risk of a major outbreak in that country as well.